Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Stay home, children. Stay safe and eat healthy foods. Why do we need a house, children? Do you know? Yes, correct. We need a house to live in. A house gives us shelter. Shelter means protection from rain, storm, thunder, and the hot sun. Do you know the meaning of storm and thunder? See this picture, children. Before start the rain, what will happen in the sky? Yes, correct. The strong wind blowing. That is storm. While raining, did you see the sky? A loud noise we heard, children. That is thunder. In summer days, the sun is so hot, children. In that time, we take rest in our home only, right? So, we feel safe and comfortable in our house. Today we are going to see the lesson types of houses. In this lesson we are going to learn why we need houses to live in, know about the different types of movable and immovable houses, understand why the types of houses differ in different parts of our country and around the world. Classify the houses into Kacha and Pakka. See this picture, children. Do you know the meaning of house and home? House refer to a building only, children. But home means where one lives with their family members. It's called home. A house where we sleep, eat, relax and live together with our family is called our home. Here are some different types of houses. Which of these houses can be moved from place to place? Which houses cannot be moved? Are you ready to say? First one is modern brick house. It cannot be moved. Have you seen boat, children? Boats are moved from one place to another place, right? This house also moved from one place to another place. This house name is houseboat. Next one is stone house. It cannot be moved. Next one is multi-story building. It also cannot be moved. Next, stilt house. It also cannot be moved. Wooden house also cannot be moved from one place to another place. Different types of houses. People live in different types of houses. Some of these houses cannot be moved while some others can be moved. We build houses to suit the climate. Do you know, children, some countries climate is throughout the year fully very cold only. Some other countries very hot climate. So we build houses to suit the climate. Using the materials we find easily where we live. Houses that cannot be moved. Modern single-story houses, double-story houses, multi-story houses, bungalows and huts are examples of houses that cannot be moved. Story meaning is floor, children. Single story means one floor houses. Double story means two floor houses. Multi-story means many floor houses. See this house, children. This is a modern single story house. See this house. Two floors having, children. So this is a double story house. See this house. Many floors having, So this is a multi-story house. This is a bungalow. And this one is hut. These houses cannot be moved from place to place. What is this, children? This is a wooden house. This house is made up of wood. See, we can see these types of houses in cold places and also in forests. People make wooden houses and log cabins in cold places and in forests. These houses keep us warm. What is this? This is a igloo house. This house is made up of ice. We can see these types of houses in snow regions. See this picture, students. This is igloos. Houses made of hard blocks of snow and ice are often found in places that always remain covered with snow. These houses are called igloos. See this picture. What is this? This is a stilts house. This house looks very different, right, children? We can see these types of houses in flooded areas. Do you know the meaning of stilt? It means each of a set of posts supporting a building. See, people use bamboo sticks to support their buildings so that water does not enter into their home. Places that receive a lot of rain often get flooded with water. In such areas, houses are built on stilts. Next, we are going to see the movable houses. Movable houses are also called as temporary houses. Tents, houseboats, and caravans are examples of houses that can be moved. What is this? This is a tent. It is very easy to build. People who move from place to place often live in tents. Mountain climbers, forest researchers, they want to stay temporary means they build the tent easily. What is this, children? Wow, very nice to see, This is a houseboat. Houseboats are houses on water. Can you imagine houses on water? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Houseboats are houses on water. These float on the lakes and rivers. We can see such boats in Kerala and on the Dal Lake in Srinagar, Kashmir. What is this, children? It is a caravan. It can be taken to any place or parked anywhere. Some people do not have a permanent home. They prefer to move from one place to another in caravans. Caravans are called houses on wheels or mobile homes. Do you know, children, what are houses made of? People use different kinds of materials to make houses. Based on the materials used, houses can be called kacha or pakka houses. Pakka houses are stronger and sturdier than the kacha houses. See this. This is a kacha house. Houses made of dry leaves, mud, bamboo and straw are called kacha houses or huts. These types of houses are more commonly found in villages. Do you know, children, what type of house this one? This one is pakka house. Houses made of bricks, cement, iron, stones and logs of wood are known as Pakka houses. These are mostly found in towns and cities. Next, we are going to see the summary of the lesson. Summary means recall the lesson in short form. Today's lesson name is Types of Houses. In this picture, we identified the movable and immovable houses. Houses that cannot be moved. Modern single-story houses, double-story houses, multi-story houses, bungalows and huts are examples of houses that cannot be moved. We learnt about a wooden house, igloo and stilt house. Next, we learnt about the movable houses. Tent, houseboats and caravans are examples of movable houses. In this page, we learnt what are houses made of. Based on the materials used, houses can be called kacha or pakka houses. Houses made of dry leaves, mud, bamboo and straw are called kacha houses. Kacha houses commonly found in villages. Houses made of bricks, cement, iron, stones and logs of wood are known as pakka houses. Pakka houses mostly found in towns and cities. Thank you children. We will see in next class.